Look at the separation. You see that? What's the separation? That bar. Look at that, man. Stop playing with me. Partial like this. I'm sure them if you really do partial, it's still on. Yo, this all Florida right here. Work, we at work. No chicken now, jerk. Top of the morning, yo, it's your boy Orlando. Yeah, I like my glasses. I felt like being cool today, right? So yeah, I'm headed to drop off this load that I picked up in Orlando. I had a good weekend, man, at the house. But these people didn't stop calling me, man. I'm like, what's up with these people, man? They tracking the load. They know where it's at, right? They even text me this morning, like at 2 o'clock. I'm like, nah, I ain't answering right now. Like, nah, y'all know what's going on. The load don't deliver till Monday. They hit me up all weekend. I'm like, bruh. But yeah, man, I'm about to drop this load off. You know, it's, of course, you know, guys know it's 2 stops. 2 stops. So one is down here in Miami and one literally not too far from my house. So yeah, drop out to Miami first, so that's further. You feel me? And then I'll drop out the other one, Lauderdale. It's literally like 5 minutes away from my house. So yeah, that's where we at. But we check back in once I drop this load off. What's up with y'all? So I'm out here leaving. It's a Home Depot warehouse. You know? I chopped these wheels. I mean, they gonna go up my truck at 4 o'clock. I really don't want that, but this one of them, I'm gonna let them know if I get a chance to talk to them, which I highly doubt it. This one of them warehouse where they don't want you in their warehouse. Go sit in your truck, boy. Nah, they ain't say boy, though, you know it. But I'm gonna chop my wheels because I already know what time it is. These warehouse people, they know they don't put you in a box truck with no forklifts. They gonna do it anyways. I'm gonna chop my wheel. At the end of the day, you can control it though. Hey, I don't want no box. Hey, I do it myself. So this is probably what's gonna happen. But yeah, at Home Depot, man, I see a lot of box trucks out here though. I see a few box trucks. So what that tells me is there's opportunity for a contract. You know me. You know me. You know I'm a holler at her. You know, I take that network marketing approach, man. What's your ratio? You gotta know your number, man. I'm talking to everybody. I'm talking to everybody. And hey, look how you doing? You know, I'm out. My business is in the transition over right now. You know, whatever. We gotta cut that. Go. We back. Like I'm saying, I let them know off the top. Hey, look, check this out. Nah, I ain't gonna say check this out. But I definitely let them know, hey, my business is expanding right now. We're looking for new opportunities to combine with other business, you know? So you gotta live just something simple like that. I'm just looking for new opportunities to team up with other business, stuff like whatever. But yeah, I definitely take the network marketing approach when it comes to this business. It works. Numbers don't lie. You gotta know your numbers in anything you do. What's your ratio, man? You gotta know your ratio. What's your number? So I'm talking to everybody. Yo, was done. Yo, this sun bright, boy. Yeah, you see. Oh, what I'm wearing today? Oh, I got this one on too. I got a few fits. I got a few hats. Hold up. We got to bend it a little bit. You know what I mean? There you go. Yep. Oh man, you gotta stop shaking. Not in front of my friend. Don't shake in front of my friend. Ooh. Let's straighten this up. We're not driving, guys. I know y'all. Oh, he driving and he no. All right, look, guys, look. So getting up out of here. You know, I take my network marketing approach to everything. Numbers. And I definitely feel good about this one. It's all about the numbers still. So I got the direct number to the GM of the person who's in charge of pretty much over everything when it comes to the transportation and all that. I see a lot of box trucks up there. I said, oh, I can make something happen. But you know me, I'm not about really moving stuff, but this is the Home Depot section of appliances, right? So if the numbers make sense, yeah, I jump on it. I don't plan on working like that, but hey, we also plan on growing too. So hey, everything sounds right. I'll hop on it. I do what I gotta do. I do what I gotta do right now so I can do what I got, what I want to do, right? Yeah, man, I hate that. So I had a conversation with a young lady that gave him a car. She actually went and called the GM. I said, dang, you know, I oversold myself. Of course, that's part of that's part of just marketing period. You gotta oversell yourself. I said, I got 3 trucks, you know. I got 3 trucks. You heard? I got more than I got 30 really. That's where I'm at. I just told her a little bit of my future. It's not lying, guys. I have 3 trucks. It's in it. But yeah, power's in the tongue. That's what happened, man. It sounds just how I'm gonna have to get an interview with the guy and see what's what. If they numbers sound right, hey, good. How you doing? You have a good day, all right? Second stop, she over there. Let's see what these people talking about. Hey, this literally like, shoot, across the street from my house. Really? This is where I run at. I run past this place. Like maybe 5 minutes. Crazy. Hey, I'm at the wrong dock. Second dock now, they done told me I'm at the wrong dock. How many docks they got? Sheesh. We working though. I ain't tripping, we getting money. Getting money, you gotta work. You have motion, you know, say everything I want, everything I work on together. Oh yeah, people, I forgot to let y'all know and see. Yeah, I'm done. I offloaded, I'm done for the day. No, I'm not. My wife got me doing gardening. Really, it's Monday, so I'm about to go out. I'm just about to do this garden real quick. Lay some little stones down. Shower. Hopefully take a 30-minute nap. I'm gonna try to book a load before I go take a 30-minute nap. I'm out. I'll let y'all, it's your boy Orlando, man. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and share, man. Yo, what's done? This is my little office right here, man. A couple goals on the wall, you know what I mean? Hey, what it say? Don't wish for it, work for it. That's my, it's your boy right there. Hey, see that green? Thing over there, you know it's green. Hey, I'll let y'all though, man. It's your boy Orlando. Thanks for watching.